Understanding cake frosting, a delicious English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a sweet phrase in English, cake frosting. Whether you're a baking aficionado or just love indulging in dessert, this phrase is as delightful to say as it is to taste. So, let's spread the joy and learn about cake frosting. Cake frosting, also known as icing, is a sweet, creamy glaze that is spread over cakes and pastries. It's made from a mixture of sugar, butter, and sometimes eggs, milk, or cream. Frosting can come in various flavors and colors, adding not just taste but also a visual appeal to desserts. Frosting isn't just for decoration. It seals in the moisture of the cake, keeping it fresh and delicious. It also provides a smooth surface for decorating and can add contrasting flavors. From a language perspective, frosting can signify adding a final touch that makes something complete or more attractive. In English, we often use dessert-related phrases metaphorically. For example, icing on the cake means an extra benefit or enhancement to something that is already good. Similarly, frosting can imply the finishing touch that makes a good situation perfect. And there you have it, a slice of knowledge about cake frosting. I hope this video has been as enjoyable as a well-decorated cake at a party. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll find learning new phrases is the icing on your language cake. Until next time, happy learning!